Hi everyone. First of all, I would like to make an acknowledgement to my friends Vincent, Frank, and George. They're very friendly and nice people. Basically, working in a second-hand shop uh, in my neighborhood, and they're very kind and nice. They always give access to 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 the audio equipment which come into the into their shop for sale. So they always give me access so I can see if something is interesting for my channel, and without their help, and without the help of my community and subscribers, I could not continue this channel. Thank you very much to these three gentlemen. Really appreciate it, and all of you uh, for your engagement and comments, and supporting the channel, because this is my hobby channel and it gives me a lot of energy to continue. And this one I got also from their shop. It's a Sony CFD-555L. This is from 1996, the era of BoomBox. That's what we call, it starts in the mid 80s and it followed to the mid 90s, then it's fade away. So this one has a detachable speakers. I mean, this is in my opinion not very high-end boombox, but Sony was mass producing because they were sort of combo and these speakers could be detached, but everything is made of high quality plastic. I mean, just for the conventional use, nothing very special or specific. But what is important, that after so many years this is still uh, in working order, and I find it and I thought to share with you. So basically it has a CD player. It's on the top loading CD tray up, and it has a radio which is a 4-band FM, shortwave, medium and long wave, and it has a double cassette tape cassette player, also cassette player and recorder. And these kind of this is for the mega bass and this is for the rotary equalizer. So it has a 3-band equalizer, which is the low frequency, the mid and the high, treble bass and the basically vocals, and this is the surround level. And here you can see is just a band switch for the radio. You have the headphone out also, and the uh, the the cassette player's mechanism is quite good. This is a common mechanism. All Japanese brands are using it. Quite sturdy, doesn't go any bad. All it requires after 20-30 years to change the belts and perhaps capstan ruler, and then it will be keep on going. Both are the motor, two motor driven cassette deck player and recorder there. And you have also here, this is for the FM tuning and fine tuning, sorry, and this is the main tuning. This is for the fine tuning, and especially it's useful on the short wave. This is the function from the CD player, so play and pause, stop, and the forward and reverse, display and enter. And you have a play mode where you can use different mode, for example like a repeat and shuffle and all such things. So yeah, let's see how it sounds like. I think we should start with the tape, and I would like to play one of my favorite jazz group. It's not very popular, but I like their music. There you go. And here is the volume control.
sunshine of your smiles no longer there. It looks like rain in cherry blossom lane. Your golden voice no longer fills the air. The rippling notes have left the old mill stream. There's nothing left for me but just a dream. There be no rain in cherry blossom lane. If you were there to tell me that you care.
You hear a cassette player working excellent, and heads are also not used. And this is the tape B. I think even the capstan ruler and the belts are not needed to be replaced urgently, even though it's from 1996. Still it's working fine. So I think it should be kept on using till it gives some problem with the speed, then it can be considered. So now we try to listen to the CD, and I put classical music on that, and I would like to share with you one of my best classical music, all-time favorite one. I hope you like it. CD is still responsive, play almost all kind of music, and now we can go to the radio.
En ik herinnerde me weer hoe heftig fysiek die gebeurtenissen zijn. Dus niet alleen je hart dat gebroken is of je ziel die een deukje heeft gekregen, maar ook dat je echt...
This is the tuning.
Can hunt your speakers now. De afval is lijnsgroot.
able to receive some stations on medium wave and long wave. Of course, a lot of noise on the This is the NPO Radio 4. This BoomBox from the Sony. It's almost 6.5 kilos, I guess. Yeah, and it can also powered with the batteries. I can show you the compartment on the back side, and the power consumption is only 4.6 watts, so it's very modest power consumption. And yeah, it's the power output on the audio level, so it's not very loud. And yeah, so it can be very nice for the small room to play music, CD, and if somebody has a lot of old cassettes and wanted to play now and then and listen to the radio, of course. So this was a Sony CFD-555L BoomBox from 1996. I'll just show you on the back side also. By the way, it's in a very good condition. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, so here's the latch to release the speakers, and they can go out. And here is the antenna, and this is the battery compartment, very clean. I think it never been used any batteries, and this was a basically display model from a local electronic shop. And when they went a little bit out of interest, so they just dump it in the storage, and it was hanging over there for so many years. That's how the Vincent shop, they got it, and then from there I acquired it to share with you. I hope you like it. And yeah, I mean, no, these are quite popular, these all boom boxes. JVC was making, Sony, Philips, yeah, almost all companies, they wanted to take the share. The most famous were made by the JVC with a very good sound. Anyhow, I hope you like it. Until next time, have a good one. Bye bye.